Still westbound, about 107 miles an hour. 10-4, hey units, if we get this guy TVI, do not rush the vehicle. Do not rush it when we get it handled. Hey, he was up in that 49 car, take it. I'll call it. Where y'all at, 178? We're coming up on the 91. Speed's about 105. You took the 91. When he slows down, put a car on the side of him. Yeah, 10-4. We're headed back towards the Interstate. He's getting on 30 the wrong way. He just like that right there. His 18-wheeler.
Put your fucking hands up! Put your hands up! Me, you. Get your ass out now! OC spray. I sprayed him. He OC'd it. Hey, jump over. Turn my car off. Get me out. Get me out. Put your hands on your back. Put your hands on your back. Hey! 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 Shut your mouth and put your Shut up! Shut up! That asshole! Got you! Stop! Breathe. Get your hands. No one's on your neck. Stop! Nobody's on your neck. Stop! Stop moving your head! I swear to God, I will fuck you up if you don't stop! Yeah. Hey, look at where your handcuffs on. Hey. He's tough. Is there anybody in the corner? Who did he hit? That 18-wheeler. Yeah, so I tried to put it on the shoulder and I tried to go back.
10 border. I'm